Hello，大家好，歡迎收睇今集嘅10拍實說，我係大力星我 Regan，
係大力星我 Anna。
好，我哋又再次嚟一次 TDSB 啦，今次係咩學校咧？
今次咧，我哋就嚟到 Northview Heights Secondary School。
冇錯啦，呢一間 secondary school 咧係非常之大㗎，有1650個學生啊。
冇錯啊，而且咧仲聽講學校有好多唔同嘅 program 喎，不如我哋即刻入去睇下啦。
冇錯，入去之前講多句先，國際學生係有100個㗎 ，Let's go！
歡迎收睇今集嘅實拍實說。今日咧，我哋就嚟到多倫多嘅中心地帶，參觀一間 TDSB，即係 Toronto District School Board 旗下嘅一間公立學校 Northview Heights Secondary School。
學校咧 total 有大概1650個學生，當中咧有100個係國際學生嚟嘅。雖然聽落去好似好多國際學生，但係按翻 percentage 咧，其實係少過10%㗎。
Part of what makes this school great, just like anywhere else in the city of Toronto, is that you've got people from all around the world that are interacting with each other. And so with students from different backgrounds, there's an incredible exchange of culture that happens. So students that come here are learning about Canada, but they're also learning all about cultures all around the world. And that is quite honestly part of what makes Northview fantastic.
學校咧係採用一個 4-period schedule 嘅，咁每一堂咧大概75分鐘，75分鐘咧就俾咗好足夠嘅時間學生去深入學習嗰一個科目嘅。咁咁啱咧，今日就係佢哋嘅 late start date， 因為琴晚咧就啱啱開完家長會，咁老師今朝咧都會打電話俾翻啲出席唔到嘅家長去 report 翻啦學生嘅進度，咁睇下大家有冇嘢要 follow up 翻嘅。
呢一間學校嘅特別之處咧，就係佢哋嘅 Specialist High Skills Major 或者 SHSM program。咁呢一個咧就係 Ministry Approved 嘅 program 嚟嘅，就係俾啲學生咧去 explore 唔同行業同埋唔同嘅 career， 同埋就係佢哋邊讀呢一個 program 咧，亦都可以 earn 佢哋嘅 OSSD credit。
呢個 Specialist High Skill Major 咧，咁就係俾11、12年班嘅同學仔參加嘅。咁學生咧就可以喺佢個 chosen field 入邊 take 8到10個 credits。咁呢啲 credits 當中咧係包括咗一啲 major 嘅 subject credits、compulsory courses 好似數學或者係英文咁樣，再加2個 co-op 嘅 credits 去 allow students 都係去 gain 一個 real 嘅 workplace experience 嘅。
佢哋呢啲 program 全部都唔係 theory 嚟㗎，全部都係 hands-on 嘅 program。佢哋咧而家嘅 SHSM 咧係有 Hospitality and Tourism、Transportation Technology、Creative Design 同埋 ICT。
以 Hospitality and Tourism 為例啦，學生係可以 earn up to 9個 credits 嘅，咁當中 include 咗本身 core hospitality 嘅 subjects 啦，咁除此之外，佢哋仲有 options 去 focus on 唔同嘅 subject 嘅，例如係 nutrition、food science、culinary art 或者係 hotel and resort management。
喺 hospitality 同埋 tourism 嘅 program 入面咧，學生亦都會 take business studies 同埋 geography， 但係亦都會加入 tourism 嘅元素喺入面。咁同埋喺佢哋嘅 co-op placement 嘅時候咧，佢哋會有 hands-on 嘅 experience 喺真正嘅廚房啊、酒店啊或者 tourism office 入面。咁等佢哋畢業嘅時候咧，就有工作經驗，同埋亦都知道每一個 career 通常係要做啲乜嘢。
至於 transportation technology 方面咧，就好適合一啲對車啊、飛機啊或者係船有興趣嘅學生啦。咁學生咧喺呢度可以學到一啲好 basic 嘅嘢啦，例如係引擎嘅系統啊，或者剎車系統，或者係點樣檢查佢個電路嘅一啲實用嘅技術嘅。
同埋佢哋嘅課程咧，唔係淨係 focus 喺車度，佢哋亦都有 aircraft 同埋 watercraft 嘅 maintenance。For 一個中學嚟講咧，其實都算係比較特別㗎，因為一般嘅中學如果有提供呢啲類似嘅課程咧，主要都係 focus 喺車度。
中意創作嘅學生咧，就可以考慮創意設計嘅課程啦。內容咧有 photography 啦、數碼媒體啦、visual art 啦，或者係科技藝術設計嘅。
同埋學生都會接受 industry recognized 嘅 training， 同埋會去唔同嘅 professional talk 嗰度去了解 art and design 呢一個行業。咁學生如果係對 graphic design、animation、marketing 或者 fashion 有興趣，可以考慮下 creative design 嘅 SHSM。
So many advantages of taking the arts education. I think predominantly the creative problem solving, and they are transferable skills across many courses. Students in my program in particular, about 35 to 40% go into the creative industries. So you talk about marketing, but also architecture. You're talking digital design, illustration, and graphics, but almost as many actually go into the sciences. I have students going into engineering, and even the first parts of that course, they're doing some of the things we do in class. They're doing drawing skills, perspective drawing, and creative problem solving. So students do reach back and say how useful this has been, not just in the creative industries, but across a wide range.
最後咧就係佢哋嘅 ICT 啦，喺呢度咧學生係可以學 programming 啦、robotics 啦、computer system 或者係 web design 同埋 data management 嘅。
對於有興趣做 software developer、IT technician 或者 system engineer 嘅同學仔嚟講咧，呢一個係一個唔錯嘅 pathway 嚟㗎。
我覺得最正嘅就係好多 TDSB 嘅學校咧，都係有提供到 co-op 嘅機會俾學生嘅，就唔單止係一兩間學校。咁呢啲 co-op 嘅機會入邊，學生係可以有機會試到佢想體驗嘅工作，咁例如可能學生係可以去藥房入邊實習啦，去親身體驗下其實藥劑師係點樣做嘢，或者係近距離觀察下一個專業人士嘅工作到底係點樣。
咁如果大家有留意我哋之前探過 TDSB 嘅 AY Jackson 咧，其實聽學校講咧，其實呢兩間學校嘅 background 咧都係差唔多嘅，兩個咧都係成績非常之好，亦都有 offer 好多唔同嘅 SHSM program。咁所以我諗主要同學仔要揀 between 呢兩間學校咧，就係 location 啦，同埋佢哋嘅 SHSM program。
咁除咗學校嘅課程之外啦，我覺得最令我哋印象深刻嘅就係學校嘅 guidance team 啦，特別係阿 May。咁因為咧，其實如果你有睇過我哋其他嘅 TDSB 學校片嘅話咧，好多時 May 都會有幫手去 guide 我哋參觀啊，或者係俾一啲資訊我哋嘅。
阿 May 係真係一個非常之熱心嘅一個 guidance counselor， 佢唔單止知道好多唔同課程嘅資料可以提供到俾我哋之後，同埋佢亦都係好熟悉每一個 international student 㗎。差唔多我哋無論係上次去 AY Jackson 或者我哋今次嚟呢度 Northview Heights， 其實每次行過唔同嘅 area， 佢都可以同好多唔同嘅國際學生打招呼，或者調翻轉啲國際學生會好主動咁樣同佢打招呼。
咁喺今次拍攝嘅過程入邊啦，咁其實我哋偶然都有見到一位國際學生係真係好需要 May 老師嘅幫手嘅，咁佢都會即時放低手頭上嘅工作去同學生去傾啦。咁其實我哋都會見到佢唔單止係一個工作上嘅輔導員，而係佢本身咧對於學生服務呢一方面咧都好有熱誠。咁其實嚟到外國讀書嘅同學仔啦，咁都唔需要擔心話有咩事冇人傾訴嘅。
for 父母嚟講咧，其實有好似阿 May 呢一啲咁熱心嘅 guidance counselor 咧，係非常之安心，同埋係亦都係好好多嘅。因為其實好多小朋友第一次出國讀書，其實除咗 academic 之外咧，其實佢哋有好多嘢都會好唔習慣，特別係因為佢哋唔係同父母一齊，咁所以又好似阿 May 呢一啲咁嘅 guidance counselor 幫手咧，又可以講廣東話，其實可以令到父母同埋學生安心好多，等佢哋可以好快咁樣 settle down 落去佢哋嘅新環境。
學校咧唔係淨係話注重 academics 嘅，咁亦都好注重學生喺學校嘅成個體驗。所以咧有咩事咧，學生其實都可以去揾 guidance team 去從中輔導啊，或者係協助嘅。
Not just international students, but any newcomer with a student that's already here that can show them around and help them out for their first couple of days. It's usually someone that speaks their language, so if language is a barrier, that they're still able to communicate them. And that does a lot in terms of helping them settle in. We also have clubs specific to English language learners and international students, again, designed to give them somewhere to hang out and meet other people in their situation. That helps. And then I know the international office also runs a lot of central events, central field trips and things like that for them, so they can get out and see the city and feel a little bit more comfortable with the new environment.
所以無論你係想去一間 academic 好 strong 嘅學校，或者想有 hands-on 嘅 technical skill， 或者甚至乎係想去 IT 或者係 creative 嘅 industry 發展呢，呢一間學校 Northview High Secondary School 係一個值得考慮嘅學校。
另外，我覺得呢間學校咧好特別，就係佢唔單止係提供一個書本上嘅知識啦，咁亦都俾好多唔同嘅機會，等佢哋去體驗唔同嘅生活啊，或者去幫佢哋揾將來嘅方向嘅。
好，又翻嚟呢個位啦，我哋今日就完成咗 TDSV Northview High Secondary School 嘅探訪啦。
如果你中意我哋呢條片嘅話，
記得 comment、like 同埋 subscribe 我哋嘅 YouTube channel。如果有任何升學嘅問題，
就記得揾我哋帶你海外升學啦。
咁我哋下集再見啦，拜拜。
有海外升學問題，即刻 WhatsApp 大地啦！